안녕하세요 여러분. 한글 교수님입니다. 한국어를 같이 공부하자. Hi everyone, this is 한글 교수님. Let's learn Korean together. Welcome back to my channel. As we start our journey, we begin by learning the alphabet of Korean language. Of course, if we want to learn a language, we must learn its alphabet first. But before we learn the alphabet of Korean language, I will recommend you 3 best strategies to memorize anything for a long-term period effectively. Strategy number 1. Good health. Anybody should agree with this without thinking for a second. Health is a major factor when it comes to learn new things, perform essential activities, and fulfill responsibilities. You can do anything and give it your best shot when you are in a good shape. Sleeping early makes you think more actively and fast. Drinking 8 glasses of water every day and a well-planned balanced diet boost your learning quality even more efficient than you will ever imagine. Don't forget that doing a 30-minute exercise for 3 to 5 times a week makes you more intelligent and healthy. Essentially, this will boost your focus at its finest. So, you must keep yourself in good shape and be healthy. Strategy number 2. Read and write. Most of us will be able to remember things easily if we hear and say something a lot of times. But it'll make things easier if we do hear, say, and write it simultaneously. This applies to all, whether you are a first grader getting started to learn or a professional learning a foreign language. When you always hear, say, and write what you need to memorize and learn, this aids you to increase the effectiveness of long-term memory retention. Every time you hear it, your memory starts to remember and take it as part of your valuable memory, resulting in enhancement of vocal delivery to the next level until it becomes as close as the equivalent to the source. Then, memorizing the alphabet is not a pain in the head, unless you don't have a great strategy. Treat the alphabet, the vocabularies, and the grammars as your new friends in your daily life, which you will always see to meet every day. They will become part of your life, so the best thing to do is to read and write them while you say it aloud, and listen to what you say simultaneously. Doing so, you don't notice much that you are already exercising your listening, speaking, reading, and writing by just doing one activity: read and write. Strategy number 3. Repeat and master. Not all of us want to do the same thing over and over again, but you have to decide to do so, since it is going to be one of the best strategies when it comes to learning. When there's a time that you have learned something for the first time and you haven't decided to review, there's a chance that you will likely forget things easily. However, if you have learned something for the first time and you have decided to review and repeat it over and over again until you can remember all what you have learned without reading your notes. This means that mastery comes from repeating something over and over again. Repetition doesn't mean you will do it over and over again without making a decision to have improvements compared to the previous takes you did. Remember, if you are doing something every day, then you will get familiarized with it. Later on, you won't notice that you already have mastered it. Think about yourself writing your name as a kindergarten kid and as a grown-up person. Did you notice the difference? You, as a kid, is getting started to learn writing your name slowly. Now, you as a grown-up person can write your name fast without even looking. It is because you have already mastered writing your name. So, if we always do repeat all what we will be learning in Korean language, we will become fluent in no time. Don't get bored. If you don't know and understand, repeat and master. Now that you have already learned the 3 best strategies to learn Korean language effectively, you will be active and eager to learn Korean language. Sometimes we must use the right actions to succeed. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and be sure to have your bells on so you will be surely get updated for more upcoming chapters. Don't be shy to share to your friends. Sharing is caring. That's all of this video today. This is Hangul 교수님. I'll be seeing you with your friends next time. 안녕히 계세요, 여러분.